the heart of a lush, green jungle, there lived a lion named Leo. Leo was known as the laziest lion in all the land. While other animals played, worked, and explored, Leo preferred to lie under his favorite shady tree, snoozing the days away. One sunny morning, the animals gathered for a big meeting. Mr. Elephant, the wisest and kindest of them all, spoke up. We need everyone's help to prepare for the big festival next week. There's so much to do. The monkeys were in charge of gathering fruits, the birds were decorating with colorful feathers, and the rabbits were preparing delicious snacks. But Leo yawned and stretched, thinking to himself, I'll just take another nap. They don't need me. As the days went by, the jungle buzzed with excitement and activity. Everyone worked hard, except for Leo. One afternoon, as Leo lounged lazily, a little parrot named Pip flew down to him. Leo, chirped Pip, why aren't you helping? We need everyone to make the festival wonderful. Leo sighed, I'm too tired, Pip. Besides, I'm not good at those things. Pip fluttered his wings and said, but Leo, we can all do something. Even the smallest help makes a big difference. Leo thought for a moment. Maybe he could try. So, he slowly got up and wandered over to where the monkeys were gathering fruits. Can I help? Leo asked. The monkeys cheered. Of course, Leo. Can you help us carry these heavy baskets of fruits? Leo used his strong paws to lift the baskets, and soon enough, the task was done. The monkeys thanked him with big smiles. Next, Leo went to the birds, who were struggling to hang feathers high in the trees. Can I help? Leo asked. The birds chirped happily. Yes, Leo. Can you reach those high branches for us? Leo stretched his tall body and placed the feathers perfectly on the branches. The trees looked beautiful, and the birds sang in delight. Feeling proud, Leo moved on to the rabbits, who were busy cooking. Can I help? Leo asked. The rabbits hopped with joy. Sure, Leo. Can you help us mix this big bowl of salad? Leo used his strong paws to mix the salad, and the rabbits clapped their paws together in thanks. Finally, the big day arrived. The jungle was filled with laughter, music, and delicious smells. Mr. Elephant called everyone together and said, Thanks to everyone's hard work, this is the best festival we've ever had. Leo smiled shyly. He felt happy and proud to have helped. As the festival continued, Pip the parrot flew over to Leo. See, Leo, Pip said, everyone's help makes a big difference. You did a great job. Leo nodded. Thank you, Pip. I learned that even though resting is nice, helping others feels really good too. From that day on, Leo wasn't known as the lazy lion anymore. He became Leo the helpful lion, always ready to lend a paw to his friends. And so, the jungle was not just a place of beauty and fun, but also a place where everyone, big and small, knew the joy of helping each other. Moral of the story: helping others makes everyone happy and makes the world a better place.